Welcome to Crafty Behavior. Today, we are going to be diving into the art of book folding. You're going to need a book of a little over 200 pages. For reference, this one's 230. You're going to need a template, which is linked below in the description, a pencil, and a rubber band. So, before we get started, we're going to turn our book upwards, and this is going to be the side that will be facing up. So, what we're going to do is decide where one of our corners will line up to. You'll understand when we get further along. We're just going to draw a line right there. And you can do the same for the bottom. I'm just going to draw really quick across. Okay. So now we're going to open it up. As you can see, this was a discard, well-loved book from our library that's no longer in our collection. So, start around here. Take my template, my book. I'm going to make sure the bottom edge is lined up with the paper. I'm just going to pull it up to the first line right there. Nope. Go a little further. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to mark next to where the corner is on the grid. And then I'm going to see where my line is down here. And I'm going to see where the other line I made up here is. And I'm going to fold. I'm going to do the flip the book over and do the same exact thing. And as you can see, I didn't put my rubber band in place. So just make sure you line up with the lines that you put. So the line you put on top, and then this line you put right here on the side. And just make sure you crease it together. And I'm gonna put my rubber band in place. And that'll stop the book from kind of leaning into me. Let's do this one more time. And just because I didn't explain it properly the first time, each of these has a line and it has a kind of a grid that makes it a little easier. So we just did this one, so I'm gonna mark it. So we're gonna line up with this line right here, and we're gonna make an indent in this place and this place, but on the edge of the book. So we're going to do this. And just make sure the bottom part, edge of your paper, like just the bottom line, it's just lining up. Just make sure the line is lined up correctly, and you will just make a mark right there, and then right here. I'm just gonna make a mark saying that I marked next to that. And you will line up with the line that you put on your edge right here. And then fold. Make sure you hit the line you made right there, the little line. And just fold. And then you'll turn it over. That way you can properly crease everything. Hopefully, this all makes sense. So make sure, once again, make sure the bottom of your page lines up with the paper. And you see where the line ended from the last one. And for the top, pull it out. There we go. And I'm gonna speed through the rest of the book. I'd love to see the projects that you've created with this. And if you got a little bit more creative and made your own template, even better. Upload them, share them with our Facebook group. Let us know. I'm gonna speed through the rest. See you shortly.